In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zapier automation that sends Thinkific course completions to Google Sheets. We're going to build a simple workflow that automatically logs each completed course into a spreadsheet, which is a great way to keep your records organized without having to enter anything manually. This can be especially useful if you want an easy reporting system for student progress or completion tracking. Start by opening Zapier and signing into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create, and then choose New Zap. This opens the automation builder where you'll set up both the trigger and the action. For the trigger app, search for Thinkific and select it. This tells Zapier that the automation should begin whenever something happens inside your Thinkific account. Under the event menu, choose Course Completed. This means the Zap will run every time a student completes the specific course you want to monitor. Next, connect your Thinkific account. If Zapier asks for your Thinkific subdomain, enter it to complete the connection. After that, choose the course you want to track. Make sure you select the correct one, since this determines which course completion events will trigger the automation. Then click Test Trigger to confirm that Zapier can successfully pull in data from Thinkific. If the test works, you'll know the connection is active and the trigger is set up properly. Now move on to the action step. Search for Google Sheets and select it as the action app. Under Event, choose Create Spreadsheet Row. This tells Zapier to add a new row to your spreadsheet each time the trigger happens. Connect your Google account when prompted. Then select the spreadsheet where you want to store the course completion data. It's a good idea to make sure your spreadsheet already has clear column headers so the data maps correctly and stays easy to read later. Once the spreadsheet is selected, map the student's name, email, course, and completion date to the matching columns in Google Sheets. This step is important because it determines exactly where each piece of information will appear in your sheet. After mapping everything, click Test Action to verify that Zapier can create a row successfully. Check the spreadsheet to confirm the information appears in the correct columns and looks the way you expect. Once everything is working correctly, click Publish to turn on your Zap. From that point on, each new course completion will be added automatically to your Google Sheet, giving you a clean and reliable tracking system with no manual work required.